Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm so glad you are here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a butt, boobs and hips enlargement. Basically how to gain weight at the right places for skinny girls. All right, the product I'm going to be using today, they have zero side effects. They are going to work on your body effectively. All right, within 10 days the result will be visible. Okay, so if you are interested in this kind of video, trust me, watch this video from start to finish. Anyway, this is a short video. Okay, it will be very short, and I bet you are going to enjoy this video. Remember to give me a thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up this video. Please share and subscribe to my channel. All right, so let's get started. The first ingredients I'm going to be using is soya beans powder. Okay, I'm going to insert the soya beans. Let me just take this cup off. I'm going to insert the soya beans on the screen so as for you to know what soya beans looks like. You can buy the soya beans and blend it into powder yourself, okay, or buy the powdered one. This is available everywhere, and if you cannot get it, please send a message to the WhatsApp in the description box. All the powders I will be using in this video is available. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be using half tablespoon of this. So the second ingredient I'm going to be using is mulberry. I'm just going to add it up to it. Then I'm going to mix together. Then the next thing I'm going to be adding with it is full cream milk. Okay, in any weight gain drink, this is very compulsory. This is very important to boost the effectiveness of the ingredients. Full cream milk. Okay, I'm just going to pour it into it like so, and I will continue mixing together. And I hope this video is helpful and informative. So what you are going to be doing is make sure you drink this in the morning before you eat anything. This should be your first intake in the morning and the last intake in the night if you wish to take this daily. But I will advise to take this very early in the morning before you eat anything, you know, maybe 2 hours before you eat your breakfast. That will do a lot of work. It will be very effective, and the results will come out in no time on your body, your backside, your hips, your, you know, as a skinny girl, right? Every weight you needed on your body, every, you know, everything, healthy weight you needed on your body will begin to show in 10 days. All right, you are going to see the improvement. The results will be visible in no time. Okay, just follow the lead and thank me later. make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to share this video. Most importantly, thank you for your support so far, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.